Caustic soda is a very important cleaning agent used in making soap. So we have to dissolve it in water. Soda ash is a very powerful cleaning agent used in soap and in detergent. Sodium sulfate serves like a filler for the soap. It makes it to harden. And if you want a very strong soap, a very hardened soap, you also use calcium carbonate. That one will make your soap to be very hard. SLS is used as foaming booster. So it makes our soap to foam. That is its function. SLS rice. This is our oil. And this sugar. Sugar helps the soap to lather well. This is our perfume for the soap to smell nice. This is glycerin. The glycerin helps to protect your hand from peeling when using the soap. Let's add 383 grams of oil into a bowl. Let's add the 63 grams of dissolved caustic soda into the oil. And mind you, when you're making semi-hot process bar soap, your caustic soda will be hot. We'll just dissolve it and allow the smoke to escape. Then we add it to the oil and stir very well. As here it is. Let's add the 63 grams of dissolved soda ash into the solution. And stir well. Stir well. Make sure you're putting on your hand glove, your nose mask, and your goggles for protection. Stir very well and make sure it mixes very well. Let's add 60 grams sodium sulfate into the solution. And stir. Let's add glycerin. Five ml of glycerin. Let's add 50 grams of SLS into the mixture. Remember, I told you that SLS is a foaming agent. Pour into the mixture and mix properly. It's time to pour it into the mold and allow it to dry for 24 hours before unmolding it. So this is after 24 hours. Our soap is ready. So we can start using it from tomorrow. If this is the first time you're coming across my video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.